Oh, my dog is giving birth right now. This is the first baby that came out. Say hi, Roxy. She's ready. She's cleaning it right now. Roxy. Upside down. Let me help her out a little bit. The head is still stuck in there. Gonna get it out right now.
Yes.
Oh, he's trying to kick. There he is. Come to the world, puppies. There's the father over here. Hey, she's gonna kick your butt. Get over there. So we got a healthy puppy over here. There was a word there for a second. I haven't witnessed a birth of a dog yet. I think there was like her 5th litter. It's the first live birth. Oh, there's his head. Hello, puppy. I don't want to touch you because your mommy's going to clean you up. Oh, get over there, father. Father of the puppies, Canelo. Okay, it's your baby. Knocked up your dog or your wife again. Hey, stay over there. Don't worry about him. Your wife got it covered. Little lazy right there. Clean me up, mommy. You look like a little rat. It's not a rat, Canelo. Hey, no. No. So Roxy over here was acting a little weird. I'm like, oh, she's definitely gonna have her babies right now. So I bought some pillows, checked her out, and like, I was right. She had her babies. What was the first one though? Had my suspicions. All the cleaning. I don't want to move. I'm expecting probably like 3 to 5 puppies. She had 5 before. Mom. Mom's right here. Just came downstairs. Mom. 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 I'll show you. Come here. Come here. You gotta see this. You gotta come here. Come here. I'll get my other dog. Mommy, look. Baby.
Yes, the baby's there?
Yeah.
Oh. How many?
Well, it's one right now.
Oh, having babies right now?
Yeah, she's having it right now. It's the first one. The other ones are gonna come later.
Okay.
Nope. They're going defensive.
Look at some canasta.
Hold on, Mom. You're still giving birth.
You stay here, okay?
That's fine.
Take off the lid. The lid. Put some towel.
Look,
Take
all
off
over the
this
place.
book first because it's disturbing him. Take off the book. You don't have to be disturbed, toy. He's cleaning up.
Yeah, no, I'm just watching.
That first time, toy, if he came out and you can first help him to like take off the thing from the nose of the puppies, okay?
Oh yeah, he's breathing though.
You know how to do that?
With his mouth, he's breathing.
Yeah. So you can breathe, okay? If
Nope.
it is starting in the back, put him the face. Feel it the face first, okay?
Yes, Mom.
After the baby.
Hi, Mom. Mom has to work right now, so take care of these dogs. Hey, hit your ass, bud. Butt kicked. He looks pretty healthy, just pretty lazy. Umbilical cord. There goes the umbilical cord. What's up, baby? Hey. Your child over here. Oh, trying to make some noise. There he is. Open it. The placenta or the umbilical cord is still there, I think. Oh, on the walk. Yep, there's the umbilical cord still in there. My mother will cut it off right now. Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. Hey, babies. Hey, babies. Welcome to the family. Oh, he wants some milk already. Your little kiss, kiss, clean, clean. Like a little rat. Careful. Careful, mommy. Cut the umbilical cord first. Cut the umbilical cord first. Did you get the umbilical cord, Roxy? I think she got it already. Roxy, not yet, not yet, not yet. The umbilical cord. Umbilical cord. I actually gotta work on it a little bit. Come in, little. Oh, the dog's curious. I don't think he's seen a birth either. He's always gets the aftermath. Oh, you're a daddy, Canelo. You're a daddy. You got it? Not cut yet. I think she's just like moving so we get a better cut. Took your leg. Nope, still there, Roxy. Go get it. Take the umbilical cord. You just gotta pull the whole thing out. I don't know if another baby's attached in there or it's gonna come later. Come on, Roxy, make sure you get that first. You can't just pull the baby. Come on, Lo. You're alone. Chair. Oh yeah, I think she cut it. She got it. Now she's gonna do some cleanup. Hey, get away from her. There he is. I think there's still some stuff on the face. Do you want the phone turned on? Yeah, I'll leave her alone. I'll about it later. Rexy. That's your baby, Rexy. Baby. You're gonna have some more later. And there you go. Just a little more cleanup already. Nope. Hello. Hello. She's got it. Mom powers activate. Canelo. Guess baby number 1. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get the other babies because I heard birth kit takes a long time. Not here for like an hour just for this one. Here's oh. Control your baby. She's got him. Hey baby, say hi to the camera. Yeah, the eyes are open yet. Hi puppy. He's crying, so that's a good thing. And he's nice and healthy. Rush. I don't want the husband around right now. He did this to me. Done with the cleanup, Roxy? Careful. Yeah, he wants some milk. Give him some milk, Roxy. Here, get that milk. Roxy, say hi, Roxy. Rexy. Hey, little Roxy. Calling the husband again.
Should we one more?
It's just the first one.
Bye, Papa.
Hi, Mom. He's crying. He's drinking. Say hi, baby. Hi, baby. So I don't want this video to run too long, so if I catch another birth, I'll hook you guys up. Peace.